researching Eastern Woodland Native American tribes. We have found facts about their transportation, homes, food, and environment.
The Pueblo people built houses with very thick walls made from adobe sun-dried bricks made of clay and straw.
They hunted rabbit, and after the Europeans brought sheep to the Americans, Pueblo farmers tended the herds for food and wool.
My class is researching the Lakota Indians, one of the 3 Native American tribes we learned about in 2nd grade. Please join us Thursday, March 5th to learn more about our research and watch as we present